There's a big question that a lot of people have been asking. Why is passive income so important? Well, if you've been listening to this channel for a while, or if you're brand new here, I'm hopefully going to answer that question on this video. So if you've spent any time online, you've seen the likes of Gary Vaynerchuk and even Pat Flynn talking about passive income and exactly what it means and why it's so important to us. If, like me, I absolutely hated working. Let's start off with the definition of passive income. Now, a quick search on Google will say passive income earnings from a rental property, limited partnership, or other enterprise in which a person is not actively involved. However, there's much better ways to achieve passive income and also a lot of ways where you can start off with no money whatsoever. And if you stay with the video, I'm going to share with you how you can get access to the top ways that I actively promote passive income. So make sure you stop to the end of the video to see that one. So when we're talking about passive income, what are we talking about? We are talking about work you do on the front end that will continually pay you over the days, months, and years ahead. Now, over the last few years, I've actually been achieving this through affiliate marketing and especially through software. For me, I like doing it this way because if I sell a service that requires a monthly fee to a customer, I know I only have to make the sale once. And as long as that customer stays a customer, I'll get paid a commission every single month as well. In fact, one of my own successes back in 2019 when I qualified for what we call a Clickfunnels Dream Car Award, which meant having 100 active accounts with them, and they actually paid me an extra $500 every single month to get my dream car, which was pretty cool. But what other ways could you do it? Well, we see a lot of people are jumping on the YouTube wagon right now. In fact, if you're not on YouTube right now, I urge you to go and get yourself a channel and start looking into what your passions and your experience could offer to other people. And if we look into this page here, the Influencer Marketer Hub, it gives you a rough calculation of what you could expect to earn every single day. See, the nice thing there is you can post a video onto YouTube and it can get views and people will watch it and watch it and watch it. There's a couple of ways that you can actually earn money from YouTube doing it this way as well. If you're into affiliate marketing, you can link out to products or services within the descriptions of each video. Plus, if you get enough watch time, which is 4,000 hours in the last year, and you have 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will actually pay you a percentage of the advertiser's revenue, which comes on the top of your videos. And that's really what these figures are all about. So if you think to yourself, right, well, I want to earn X, then you think, right, how many views do I need to get and how many hours do I need to get? So I'm going to plug some numbers in this. Let's say, for example, you want to earn 35,000 every year as a side income. So that's going to look like 31,000 views a day with an average engagement rate. Now that might sound absolutely ridiculous. Now this number might actually sound way off the charts, but there is an easy way to get to it. See, you can actually put more videos online and they will get more views over time. So if you think about the compounding effect of having videos, just like I have on this channel, every single video, even if it only gets 100 views per day, then you're going to need 10 of those to make 1,000. Now, what if your videos were getting 100 views a day? You're only going to need 10 of those to get up to 1,000, and so on and so forth. So the numbers really aren't that far out. And you can see some people creating videos which get millions of views. So you can tell that this sort of figures that you see on the screen is not that far out of reach after all. And you don't need to have a big channel to actually earn money because, like I said, you can add your affiliate links into the YouTube channel itself, and that makes a huge difference. Plus, you can find a bunch of things to review as well. So I would start off going onto Amazon and seeing what you've bought in the past and making review videos of that. People are going to love seeing that. And if you go onto the YouTube influencer program, you can see that you can actually add your own videos to the listings. You see a video on here. If your video gets viewed up to 30 seconds and you are part of the influencer program, then you will actually get paid for that product. Now, the cool thing about the Amazon influencer program and the Amazon partner program is that if they purchase anything within the 48 hours of clicking through your link to start with, you will get paid. And especially good on times like now, which is Black Friday, or any holidays through the year. If affiliate marketing is brand new to you, then I've introduced this guide right here so you can get started. You can understand the principles and the frameworks to actually get affiliate marketing working for you, and several ideas that you can go ahead with straight away. And on top of that, I did say that you're going to get some ideas on what to promote, how to promote it. So passive income, yes, let's go with affiliate marketing, but there's all sorts of different ways to do it, and I've outlined that in this next video, so make sure you go ahead and watch that next, and I'll see you inside the next video.